Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A11 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's take a look at this option bar and tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the timer. After tapping once you can set the 3 seconds countdown, and after tapping on it again you can set 10 seconds countdown. So if it is highlighted and you can see the number inside the, let's say, timer, it means that it has been set. So now we can go back and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can also turn off the timer. Let's enter the 3 bars icon again and tap on the timer. If it is not highlighted, it means that the timer has been turned off, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.